Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Jane here. If it's your first time visiting, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell so you're not gonna miss our latest Blackpink unboxing videos. Shout out to Vinitha E and Ivana Ruiz. Hi to both of you beautiful blinks. I hope you guys are doing well out there. Happy December to you and your family. Don't forget to wear a mask when you're out, stay safe out there, and continue to be a good blink always. If you've missed your chance on our previous Blackpink Lightstick 2 giveaway, you can simply join our next challenge, which is the Crab Dance Challenge by Lisa. Just invite one person to subscribe on our channel and send us an email with your invited friend's name with your crab dance video file. One lucky winner will receive a Blackpink Lightstick 2 and a special Christmas gift from us. You can still submit your entry until December 27th, so make sure to send your crab dance video before the deadline. Good luck everyone and have a Merry Christmas!